can see for the following three different picture styles cafeterias. For example, the first picture, there is a Thai style bar with large banks and very well lights bar. The second picture, the place is closed. The place looks like it is a part of library. And the last picture is the one that seems most appropriate. The space is large. In the back room is large bar. In the forward room, table is yellow with very modern chairs. In the middle is a blue and yellow elbow chair. Also has lots of lighting, plants, and in general good decoration in each space. The circles are also drawn on the floor. Attract my attention because I believe they include you to discover the road where the cell food. In my opinion, certainly, think the last picture is the best option for the remodeling of cafeteria.